Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Vandar Diansyah. I am from class B. An investigation into a link between classroom environment and EFL, student teachers academic achievement. Abstract. The aim of the present study was to investigate the relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement of English education study program students of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. By conducting correlational research, 366 students of English majors of the second, fourth, and sixth semester took part in the study as the sample by using convenient sampling. The data of the study were collected by administering a questionnaire of college and university classroom environment inventory to access classroom environment of the study, and the students' cumulative GPA was also used to get the students' academic achievement score. Person product moment and regression analysis were used to analyze the data. From the analysis, it was found out that the was 0.296 and it was higher than our table 0.1059 and the level of probability P significance was 0.000. It means that H was rejected and H was accepted. This result showed that there was a significant correlation between classroom environment and the students' academic achievement. Methodology is research design. In this study, correlational research method was used to find out the correlation between variables and the interpret. The result that may appear, this method was used to find out the correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement of students of English education study program at State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. States that correlation design is procedures in quantitative research in which investigators measure the degree of association between two or more variables using the measure the degree of association statistical procedure of correlation analysis. Furthermore, Frankel, Wallen, and Huon 2012 states the correlational studies investigate the possibility of relationship between only two variables, although investigation of more than two variables are common. The procedures were college and university classroom inventory, questionnaire from Tigas, Fraser, and Dennis was given to no student's classroom environment. Number 2, the student's academic achievement was obtained by their cumulative GPA. Number 3, SPSS 16 was used in order to find out the correlation between the variables based on the result of questionnaire and cumulative GPA. And 4, the explanation and the interpretation of the results were then discussed. Research site, sampling and participant. The population of the study was all of the students of English education study program of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. In the academic year 2016 and 2017, which consisted of 518 students, then 366 students of English education study program of the second, fourth, and sixth semester took part in the study as the sample by using convenient samplings. Data collection. Before collection data, the two instruments in the study were checked for the validity and reliability. CU CEI. Questionnaire was a ready-made questionnaire and was already validated by Tigges, Fisher, and Dennis. The questionnaire consists of 49 Likert type items of positive and negative statement consists of 4 Likert scale ranging from 1 strongly disagree. Negative statement. Cronbach alpha of 17 to 19 was obtained. It can be concluded the CUCEI was valid and reliable. Besides, documentation is an objective and reliable measure of students' academic achievement. Documentation validity was not checked because it has been validated. Data analysis. Before analyzing data, obtain normality and linearity. Test was conducted AFP. It means the data are not normal. Kolmogorov-Smirnov was used to see the normality. The result of normality indicates that the data from each variable were all normal and appropriate for data analysis with confessions of 192 for classroom environment and 0.058 for academic achievement. For linearity test, deviation of linearity was obtained if probability is higher than 0.05. The two variables are linear. The results showed that the deviation from linearity between the classroom environment and academic achievement was 0.343 or higher than 0.05, which the result was linear. Findings and discussion. In this study, two kinds of instruments were used: questionnaire and documentation. First, from the college and university classroom environment inventory questionnaire, the result of students' classroom environment showed that the maximum score was 220 and the lowest score was 100.3. The mean of classroom environment scores for the participant was 1,171.74 and the standard deviation was 18.47. This mean score indicated that the level of classroom environment of English Education Study Program students of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang was in average level. The descriptive statistical analysis of classroom environment for the participant is shown in the table 1 below. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.